Hey Bible friends! Today, we're testing how strong your Bible knowledge really is with this 5-level Bible quiz challenge. Each level gets harder. Think you can make it all the way to level 5? Get your brain ready, your faith ready, and let's jump right in. What river did Pharaoh's daughter find baby Moses in? The answer is the Nile River. What was the name of the city whose walls Joshua and the Israelites marched around? The answer is Jericho. What was the name of King David's father? The answer is Jesse. On what day did Jesus rise from the dead? The answer is the third day. Who was Esau's twin brother? The answer is Jacob. Which prophet did God speak to through a burning bush? The answer is Moses. Who is known in the Bible for his patience through suffering? The answer is Job. What are the names of Daniel's 3 friends who were thrown into the fiery furnace? The answer is Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. What is the name of the lake where many of Jesus' fishermen disciples worked? The answer is the Sea of Galilee. Which apostle is known as the Apostle to the Gentiles? The answer is Paul. Who received a beautiful coat from his father? The answer is Joseph. What was the name of Moses' sister? The answer is Miriam. In which gospel did Jesus call himself the bread of life? The answer is the Gospel of John. What river was Jesus baptized in? The answer is the Jordan River. Which prophet was called by God while he was still a child serving in the temple? The answer is Samuel.
Hey there, next question. Do you know what Quiz Alkitab means in English? You got it. Quiz Alkitab means Bible quiz in English. We are a non-profit foundation in Indonesia. We are on a mission to provide modern Bible learning tools to all Bible readers and churches in Indonesia. You can support our mission by subscribing to this channel and also sending your donations to the YouTube Super Thanks button below. Don't forget to check our other platforms as well. Let's continue.
Which judge of Israel killed his enemies with an ox goad? The answer is Shamgar. How many years did the Israelites wander in the wilderness before entering the Promised Land? The answer is 40 years. Which prophet had a vision of dry bones coming back to life? The answer is Ezekiel. Which king of Judah was known for restoring the temple and destroying idols? The answer is Josiah. Who wrote most of the Psalms? The answer is David. Who replaced Judas Iscariot as one of the 12 apostles? The answer is Matthias. What was the name of Hosea's first son given by God as a sign of judgment? The answer is Jezreel. Which king of Israel was anointed by Elisha and later destroyed Ahab's family? The answer is Jehu. In Revelation, to which church did Jesus say, "You have a reputation for being alive, but you are dead"? The answer is Sardis. Who was the high priest who helped Nehemiah rebuild the wall of Jerusalem? The answer is Eliashib. So, how'd you do? How far did you make it? Comment your score below and be sure to challenge your friends to take this quiz too. If you answered all the way through level 5, congrats! You're a true Bible champion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more awesome Bible quizzes. God bless you!